Hello, and welcome back to the General Physics Laboratory. This experiment will study the phenomenon of projectile motion. Projectile motion describes how an object moves when it is only under the influence of the Earth's gravitational pull. All objects undergoing projectile motion follow a parabolic path. If we launch an object at an angle relative to the ground, it will hit the ground a distance r away. We call this the range of the projectile. For a fixed angle, it will travel further if we give it a greater initial speed. However, the angle of launch will also affect its range. To simplify the scenario, we will measure the range of a projectile launched at a fixed angle while varying the initial velocity. In our experiment, a metal sphere accelerates down the track and leaves the table traveling horizontally. Projectile motion starts as soon as the ball leaves the table and ends when the ball hits the floor. A photo gate measures the speed of the ball leaving the table. Each time the ball hits the floor, it's leaving a mark on contact paper. We measure the horizontal distance from this point back to where the sphere left the table. This is the range of its projectile motion. We also need to measure the distance from the floor to the launch height. Even though this remains constant throughout our experiment, it is an important detail of the sphere's motion since it will travel along the floor as it continues to drop further. Now that our data has been collected, it is your task to check the connection between the projectile's range as a function of its initial speed.